Got a offer? Who wants to own? Number 173, Dawson Road. Guys, do you want to have a little flurry? Any number you like. Why not have a little bit of fun on a Saturday afternoon? Can I...
500,000?
Yep. That would make us... Yeah, of course. Now, Tim's in charge, right, at 500,000 and a bit now. She'd be good buying at those numbers. At 500,000, we're underway. 520, okay, at 520,000. Puts it to it at this stage. But yes, at 580,000. So we're going to square the ledger at 600. Have a little bit of fun, falling away nicely at 580,000. The good thing here, not a thing to do at 590. No short in the stride, but okay at 590 at 590. Sir, now we get to 600. Nice and easy. No with a smile. 600 is the next rung on the ladder. I'm not going to thank you. I don't like saying no to such a lovely family, but under my seller's instructions, at 600,000 and a bit now. Otherwise, Munish will kick me too hard too. At 600,000. Bidding away for a little 10,000, but anyone else? 610 at 610. So 620, sir, back at 655. Closer than anyone else at the stage. 655 but now. 660. Put up the double six, guys. But at 655,000, can see you living here. Easy access to the motorways. Yeah, $660,000. Now, sir, what do you want to do? Raise the hand, be the man. Now, you said that to me a few times. Now I'm confused. Hold tight. At $660,000, you're going to be owning this property for the want of another bid. Keep smiling. You're doing really well. You might as well have a little bit of fun, right? At 660,000, selling.
Yeah,
First call, out she goes. The little princess wants it. At 660,000, and a bit now. Twice, hold tight. You're nearly home at 660. Trice the money at $660,000. Manish, you do it again at 660. Going? Going? Thank you for your control. I just have to ask. And it is sold to the beautiful couple right here. Well done, you guys.